the end of the year, which leads me to the obvious question, will there be a lot of sun out there for those solar panels?
Yeah, they're going to get a good workout, I think, today, because you know what, we're seeing a lot of sunshine across the state, and the wind's not too bad either. You know, if you're playing golf today, you can't blame your bad game on the wind, that's for sure. I know you like to do that.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, absolutely gorgeous weather, though, to go out there and play some golf. Paco Ridge Golf Club there, and you can see some people actually taking advantage of the nice weather out there, having a good time on the golf course. Blue skies, temperatures feeling very pleasant, and of course light wind, but don't get too used to the light wind. We are going to see that picking back up again starting tomorrow. Looking at our visible satellite, this is a snapshot from outer space, and you can see that there isn't much in the way of cloud cover. Up in the northeastern corner, we're seeing some clouds, but the cloud cover we saw earlier, we saw some thick high clouds over in the eastern part of the state. That's moved out, so we're back to mostly sunny skies, and then we're going to see some more cloud cover move in overnight tonight, but we're not going to see any precip. Temperature-wise, feeling pretty pleasant out there. 70s down in the south, 74 in Roswell, 79 in Alamogordo, upper 60s for Albuquerque right now, and we're in the low to mid 60s up in the northern mountains. Out east, about 10 to even 15 degrees cooler than yesterday. We got a little bit of moisture that moved in, so temps aren't able to warm up as quickly out east, but we're going to see that dry air move back in tonight, and so those temps are going to climb by about 10 to 15 degrees tomorrow, along with the wind, and that's going to increase that fire danger. So keep that in mind out east. We're going to see red flag warnings in effect for the entire eastern part of the state for tomorrow. Again, winds not too bad out of the west right now at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Some of you over in the northwest seeing those winds up near 20, 25 miles per hour, but that's about as bad as it's going to get today. So just breezy, not windy, and of course dry with mostly sunny skies in place across the state. Winds out of the west today will become more southwesterly, and they will crank up tomorrow. Winds will return big time tomorrow and even into Friday, and so that's going to mean, again, that fire danger out east. We're going to be looking at gusts up near 50 miles per hour out east, and even for the metro, looking at winds gusting near 35 and even 40 miles per hour. So wind fire danger will be high, sticking around through Friday and even into at least the first half of the weekend. So again, keep that in mind. Otherwise, temperatures not looking too bad, running a little bit above average. North and west today, 68 in Durango, down in Farmington, topping out in the mid-70s today with partly cloudy skies. Winds out of the southwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. You will see stronger winds tomorrow, and temperatures will be about the same tomorrow too. 65 tomorrow in Durango, 75 in Farmington, staying dry through Saturday with a chance for a few showers up in Durango on Sunday. South and west, mostly sunny skies today with highs in the mid to upper 80s with southwesterly winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Silver City a little cooler, mid 70s today, upper 70s tomorrow, and then low 70s going into the weekend, and it is going to be a dry week. No rain in the forecast for you there, and southeast really staying dry too. Plenty of sunshine today with highs in the upper 70s for Clovis, 80 in Portales. We'll try to make it into the middle and upper 80s for Fort Sumner and for Roswell. So a little cooler than yesterday. Tomorrow, though, we're back into the low to mid 90s, near 90 on Friday, the mid 80s as we head into the weekend. North and east, partly sunny skies. Winds will gust at times up near 35 miles per hour today with temperatures in the 60s and 70s, 80 in Conchas, 80 in Tucumcari. So not as windy as yesterday, but still a little breezy. Las Vegas, low 70s today and tomorrow, then upper 60s going into the weekend and staying dry for the next week there too. Northern Mountains partly cloudy today, 56 in Red River, 61 in Angel Fire, Los Alamos in the low 70s, Santa Fe a gorgeous day, 73 today. Enjoy it. We'll see the wind moving back in tomorrow and Friday with highs remaining in the low 70s. And for the East Mountains, partly sunny skies today, 76 in Edgewood, 75 in Estancia, winds out of the south at 10 to 20, so not too bad there. And for the metro, mix of sun and clouds today with highs approaching the low 80s for Los Lunas and Belen, South Valley, 78 in the metro, and then 79 tomorrow, so getting close to the 80-degree mark again tomorrow, and then a little bit better going into the weekend, mid-70s, so not quite as warm, but right where we should be for this time of the year. But today, really the perfect day. You're not having to deal with that typical spring wind.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you, Kristen. Prom night.